Hi guys, this is Nico at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfurt with good friends of mine daughter over here. Nikki, congratulations.
Thank you.
Your sister Taylor.
Thank
Got a
you.
beautiful cruise, 2016. I love it. How are you happy?
I'm very happy, very satisfied with the customer service here, and Nico, you've been the best. Thank you very much. I can't wait to get in my car and drive it home, and it's everything I needed and everything I wanted.
It's like a commercial, just keep talking.
I did. Awesome time.
You did?
Yes.
So you recommend me the dealership to your family?
I would recommend it to my friends, family, everyone around, and get you some more business and hopefully a raise.
Another happy customer, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nico.
Thank you.
Okay, come visit me over here at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfurt.